Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to study transformation formulas, right? Already you know the compound angle formulas. By using compound angle formulas, we can find again transformation formula. Transformation in the sense product of two trigonometric functions into sum or difference of two trigonometric functions, right? Or similarly, it's vice versa. Sum or difference of two trigonometric function to product of two trigonometric function. How to find these transformation formulas by using compound formulas, we can see one by one here. Let's see. Already we know the formula, that is first one, sin A plus B, right? Already we know the formula sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? Second one, sin A minus B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, right? Next third one, cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, right? Next finally fourth one, cos of A minus B cos A cos B plus of sin A sin B, right? These are the four formulas already we know well. In the previous classes, we have solved these compound angle formulas, right? Now, we solve by using first formula, second, third and fourth. We convert these formula into transformation formula. Let us consider first, add equation 1, equation 2. Let us consider this as 1, 2, 3, this one as 4, right? First we will find sum of 1 and 2, that is 1 plus 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, what we get, let's see. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, sin A plus B, I will add separately LHS one side and RHS one side. Sin A plus B plus of sin A minus B, which is equals to, right? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, I will write here sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, right? Here negative term get cancelled, negative and positive. Negative cos A sin B, positive cos A sin B get cancelled. The remaining is sin A cos B, sin A cos B. Therefore, sin A plus B plus of sin A minus B, which is equals to 2 times sin A cos B, right? Finally, we can write it as 2 take on LHS. What we get? Sin A into sin B, which is equals to 1 by 2 sin of A plus B plus of sin of A minus B. It is first formula. Sum of, or you can say product of two trigonometric functions into sum of two trigonometric functions. Product to sum here, right? In the first formula, what we have done? Adding equation 1 and equation 2, that is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and again RHS also sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus sin A cos B minus of cos A sin B. Here minus cos A sin B and plus cos A sin B get cancelled. Remaining sin A cos B, sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B, right? Now 2 take on LHS, what we get here? Sin A into cos B, which is equals to sin A into cos B, which is right. Sin A into cos B, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, right? Sin A cos B, which is equals to 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Got it? Write on this one. Similarly, in the second case, what we have to do here? Subtracting 1 minus 2. I am writing here only, editing this one only. Difference. It is 1 minus 2. What we get? Here, sin A plus B minus of sin A minus B, whole term as it is. What we get here? This sign is minus sign, right? If it is minus means minus, this becomes what? Plus. After multiplying inside, what we get? Minus is a common term. If minus is multiplied inside, sin A cos B, again minus minus plus cos A sin B. Here what we get? Sin A plus B minus of sin A minus B, which is equals to, what is the cancel here? Sin A cos B plus sin A cos B get cancelled. What we get here? 2 times of cos A sin B. 2 times of cos A sin B. 2 times of cos A sin B. Therefore again 2 take on LHS. What we get here? Yes. Again 2 take on LHS. What we get? Cos A sin B, which is equals to 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus of sin of A minus B is the required answer. That is product of two trigonometric functions into difference of two trigonometric functions. Previously what we have solved, that is sum, addition is there, right? Sin A plus B minus sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is there in previous one. But here sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is there, right? It is difference. Previous one, that is sin A plus B, sin A cos B, this one. Sin A cos B is nothing but addition. Here cos A sin B is subtraction, that is difference, right? Here also it is product to difference. Initially that was product to sum, right? Now by using equation 1 and 2, we have solved two transformation formulas, that is sin A cos B and cos A sin B. Similarly, now write down this one. Similarly, we can solve again by using 3rd and 4. Again, two formulas is there. Over. Next, we can solve. Similarly, we can solve adding 3 and 4 now. Adding equation 3 and 4. What we get? Let's see. Equation 3 plus equation 4. Adding these two, cos A plus B plus of cos A minus B, which is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus cos A cos B plus of sin A sin B, right? Here minus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B get cancelled. Remaining cos A cos B plus cos A cos B 2 times of cos A cos B. LHS as it is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Now to take on LHS again, what we get? Cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B, which is equals to 1 by 2 cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is the required formula. Here product of two trigonometric functions converted into sum of two trigonometric functions, right? Similarly, what we have did here, we have added equation 3 and 4. Now again we can subtract 4 from 3, that is 3 minus 4, right? Write on this one. After this we can do equation 3 minus equation 4, right? I edit this one only, just minus, here also minus, yes, this is, yes, it is minus cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Next we are subtracting here, right? This is minus sign. If it is minus means inside what we get, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is there, therefore minus into plus is minus, right? Now it is also minus, now which term is going to be cancelled here? Sin A sin B minus sin A sin B minus sin A sin B is there, therefore minus cos A cos B plus cos A cos B get cancelled here. 2 times of minus 2 times of sin A sin B remains, right? Therefore sin A sin B equals to, now minus 2 take on LHS, what we get? Minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus of cos A minus B is the required transformation formula. Here also what we get? Product of two trigonometric functions into difference of two trigonometric functions, right? Now we got 4 formulas here, right? First one is sin A cos B, second one is cos A sin B, third one is cos A cos B, and next fourth one is sin A sin B, right? Now we can write all the 4 formulas together to find another formulas, right? What this one? Right, next, these formulas are useful while solving the problems, right? I'll remove this one also. So next we can solve by the equation. What we get? The first equation, sin A cos B, that is first one is sin A cos B, which is equals to 1 by 2 of sin A plus B plus of sin A minus B, right? Next, cos A sin B, second one is cos A sin B, which is equals to 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, which is second one. Next, third one is cos A cos B, cos A cos B, which is equals to 1 by 2, yes, cos A plus B plus of cos A minus B, right? Next, finally fourth one, what we got? Sin A into sin B minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus of cos A minus B. These 4 formulas we got, that is product of, in LHS what we have? Product of two functions, two trigonometric functions are converted in terms of sum and difference of two trigonometric functions. Similarly, by using this, we can now convert sum of or difference of two trigonometric functions into product of two trigonometric functions, right? Let's see. how it is. For that, here we can consider put a plus b equals to c. Put a plus b equals to c and a minus b equals to d. Put in the above equations. A plus b, take it as equation 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Put a plus b equals to c and a minus b equals to d in 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? Equation 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now what we get here? Equation, when we add c plus d equals to what we get here? C plus d equals to, yes? Anybody? C plus d equals to, yes? What we get here? C plus d equals to 2a. How? C. A plus b plus of a minus b. Therefore, b get cancelled. A plus a, 2a. Therefore, finally, a equals to c plus d by 2. And similarly, c minus d. Again, a plus b minus of a minus b. Now, c minus d as it is here, plus a, minus a get cancelled, b minus minus plus b, which is 2b. Therefore, b equals to 1 by 2 or c minus d by 2. The value of a and b are here. A is c plus d by 2 and b is c minus d by 2. Now, a and b value substitute in the above equation. What we get? Let's see. Again, we get sum of or difference of two functions into product of two functions, right? Here just we are substituting or we are putting a plus b equals to c and a minus b equals to d in equation 5, 6, 7 and 8. And after simplifying this or adding c plus d, what we get? A equals to c plus d by 2 and subtracting c minus d, that is b equals to c minus d by 2, right? Now just substitute the value. I will remove this one. The value of a is c plus d by 2. I will write here the value of c is, or a plus b equals to, a plus b equals to c, a minus b equals to d, a equals to c plus d by 2 and b equals to c minus d by 2, right? I will remove this one. What type of a formula we get? Let's see. Now substituting this value in equation 5, 6, 7 and 8, then what we get here? Sin a. Yes, a means, yes, sin a, which is equals to, or what we can write it here? Sin a cos b. To take on LHS. What we get here? To take on LHS. Yes, sin a plus b, sin a minus b is there. Sin a plus b, sin a minus b. I am writing 2 take on LHS here. 2 into sin a cos b it is, right? 2 into sin a cos b. Here, sin a plus b, sin a minus b can be written as. Now, I can write the first equation 5 as sin a plus b plus of sin a minus b, which is equals to 2 times of sin a cos b, right? Already we have solved this one. 2 is as it is here, just we are substituting or just we are taking LHS. In the previous solution we have taken this to the LHS, therefore it becomes 1 by 2. Now it is as it is here only, 2 sin a cos b. Therefore, sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Now, sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Sin a plus b is c. Sin c plus sine d, which is equals to 2 times of sine A value is c plus d by 2, again into cos b means c minus d by 2, right? This is nothing but the sum of two trigonometric functions in terms of product of two trigonometric functions. It is product, right? 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, second one also, sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. Sine a plus b minus of sine a minus b, which is equals to 2 times of cos a sine b. 2 cos a sine b. Here also just substitute a plus b value is c. Sine c minus sine d, which is equals to 2 times of cos of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. Take it as equation 9, equation 10, right? Equation 9 and equation 10. Now again we can use for equation 7 as well as equation 8. Let's see what we get. I will remove this one. Equation 5 and 6. Next, here also to take 2 cos a cos b, or cos a plus b cos a minus b, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, which is equals to 2 times of cos a cos b, right? Now again substitute cos a plus b means c, cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d, which is equals to 2 times of cos of c plus d by 2, again into cos of c minus d by 2 is nothing but equation. Remove this one. Therefore, this one equation is 11. Finally, equation 8, what we get here? Cos a cos b, cos a plus b minus cos of a minus b, which is equals to, take minus to that side, what we get here? Minus 2 times of sin a sin b, right? I'll remove this one also. What we get? C. Cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d, which is equals to minus 2 times of sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. That is equation 12. See, equation 9, equation 10, equation 11 and equation 12 are in terms of, yes, are in terms of sum or product, sorry, sum or difference, sum or difference, sum or difference, sum or difference to product, see here, sum or difference to product we are converting, or we are transforming the equation from product to sum or difference, or sum or difference to product. This is nothing but the transformation formulas, right? This is nothing but the transformations formula. Got it? These are the formulas which are useful in solving examples. I will solve 1 or 2 examples, right? Add on this one. Just keep in mind, sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, and cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Write down separately one side these formulas which are useful while solving the problems, right? Now one or two example we can see. Express example, express the following algebraic sum of two trigonometric functions. First one is sin 5x into sin 3x. Second one is cos 3x sin 2x. Now they are asking express the following algebraic sum of two trigonometric functions. Now it is in the form of product, right? Which we have to convert in terms of sum of two trigonometric functions. Already we know the formula: sin c sin d, sin c sin d, and similarly cos c cos d. That is the formulas already we have. It is nothing but sin a sin b cos a sin b. The first example is sin a, it is cos sin 5x cos 3x and sin 2x. Already we know the formula. Solution: sin 5x into cos 3x. First solution: sin 5x into cos 3x, that is sin a cos b formula, that is formula is 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, which is equals to 1 by 2 sin of a plus b means 5x plus 3x plus of sin a minus b 5x minus 3x. Therefore 1 by 2 sin 8x plus sin 3x is the required answer, right? It is nothing but sin 5x cos 3x. It is sin c into sin d, or you can say sin a cos b, sin a cos b formula, right? Next, similarly cos a sin b formula, second one, cos a sin b, cos a sin b means again 1 by 2. What we are just we get a difference here. Cos a sin b is sin of a plus b minus sin of 3x minus 2x, which is equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Sin 5x minus sin x is nothing but our required answer. The product are converting into sum or difference, right? Sum or difference of two trigonometric functions, right? Similarly, you can solve. I will give one or two examples to you. Now write down this one. Again, we have used here sin a cos b formula and cos a sin b formula. Similarly, it is in the form of product to sum. Now I am going to give an example: sum or product to sum or difference to product, right? Now solve the example. Express the following as homework. Express the following as product of two trigonometric functions. Product of two trigonometric functions, right? Now first one is sin 8x, sin 2x. Second one is sin 5x minus sin x. These two examples we can solve at the home by using sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d formula, right? This much is in this lecture. The next we are going to solve, or we are going to study a next chapter, that is complex numbers. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.